The TireTek Premium Pressure Gauge. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Premium Tire Pressure Gauge by TireTek. Unlike many of the digital gauges, you have to constantly worry about batteries. This tire gauge is a manual one and doesn't require any. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. It comes in a simple box packaging, and inside you get a card with support and warranty information. This tire gauge can measure up to 60 psi and has a 2-inch dial display. They make another version that can be used for trucks and measure up to 160 psi. This gauge has met the ANSI B 40.1 Grade B accuracy standard. The chuck can swivel 360 degrees, and it also has a pressure release button. The gauge has a nice small form factor and an easy to read display. It is made of steel and brass, and it has a rubber cover all around that provide a nice grip and drop protection. Here you have the pressure release button. When taking measurements, it will save the reading and you can reset it by pressing it. You can also use the button to bleed air out so you can get it to the precise setting. The chuck rotates 360 degrees, so it makes it easy to attach to the tire valve. As mentioned earlier, the display comes in at 2 inches, and the entire gauge is less than 5 inches long. It weighs in at about 160 grams. So let's test it out. It's very easy to use and it can be done with one hand. You can see how quickly it takes the measurements, and pressing the button will release the air. Overall, this tire gauge is built well and very easy to use. You won't have to worry about batteries and having a dead tire gauge when you really need it. It's easy to store in the glove compartment or just have in your garage. This is very useful in making sure that your tires are properly and safely inflated. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.